again, this is your favorite STEM teacher, Mr. Rodriguez, coming at you for another one of our daily activities for April 8th, 2020, Transfer of Energy. Now, before we get started, as always, I hope this is reaching you not only in good spirits, but in good health. I hope you woke up this morning, you faced the day with a positive attitude, and that the day also gave you a bunch of positive stuff in return. So here we go. Let's jump right into it. What I want you to do today is place a small ball on top of a large ball and drop them together. Before you do anything, please make sure that you are staying safe. Do not be leaning directly over the balls whenever you are dropping them onto the floor. You don't want to be getting hit. You also don't want to be hitting anybody else. And also make sure that we're staying safe, away from any kind of potential falling hazards and all that other good stuff. If you do have multiple size balls, you can perform this experiment with several combinations. Mr. Rodriguez has a few different examples that we're going to be utilizing for our activity today. And also, if you don't have the proper materials at home, don't really worry about it. You can either use this video for one of your examples, or contact one of your classmates, or even look up a video on YouTube that performs the same kind of activity. So that way you can get a kind of a better understanding of what I'm looking for, what you should be seeing. If you do not have the multiple size balls, perform this experiment with several combinations and look at the difference in energy transferring from one ball to the other. Identify the kind of material your ball is made from, and briefly explain in at least 2 sentences what your findings were. So before we actually jump into this experiment, I want to kind of delve into a little bit of the science of what you're going to be seeing. And what we're going to be hopefully gaining a little bit of an understanding today is the concept of momentum. Now, with momentum, what's going to be happening, and what you're going to be seeing, is as you drop your 2 balls, one on top of the other, there is going to be a transfer of energy, that is occurring when your larger ball, that is underneath the smaller one, collides back with the smaller ball on its way back up from hitting the ground. Now, when that momentum, or with that momentum, that the larger ball has increased, what we should hopefully see is that since the smaller ball has less mass, the larger ball will transfer more momentum, propelling the smaller ball at a higher velocity. So let's take a look and see if we can make that happen. I'm going to grab one of these other ones first here. Now we can kind of see that with our large foam ball here. All right, let's try it one more time. Okay. But now, there's something else that I want to try and I want to experiment with here. Now, although this large foam ball is definitely solid, it doesn't have a lot of give in it. It's light. It doesn't have a lot of density. Now, this rubber ball is extremely solid. It has little give. Now, if I do this one more time, let's see what happens now. Now, as we can see, that drastic increase in density and a slight decrease in mass propels our ball at a much higher rate. Let's take a look at that one more time. Let's take a look at that one more time. Okay, so again, right, what we're looking for, identify the kind of materials that you're going to be using in your own activity at home, and also tell me what you might be seeing with your own materials, because I definitely love to have a conversation about that. As always, if you do have questions, please reach out to me, whether it's on Edmodo, send me an email, give me a phone call. I definitely want to help make sense of this if you're a little bit confused. And again, I hope this is reaching you in good health and good spirits. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.